Today's house we love is in one of our favourite places in Sicily, Ragusa Ibla, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its Baroque architecture and unique Sicilian history, culture and traditions. According to the realtor, it's located a few steps from monumental churches, breathtaking panoramic views, charming alleys and historic squares. It's also very accessible to free parking, which is always something to consider in an ancient city like Ragusa Ibla. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has a total living area of 148 square meters and is spread over 2 floors. It's turnkey and ready for a new owner to move in and start living the Italian dream without having to worry about any renovations or maintenance projects. And it's on the market for a very reasonable €99,000. What we love most about this house is how much character it's retained, despite being fully renovated, including all of the exposed stone, which is typical of this area. The high exposed beam and domed ceilings also give this home a warmth and authenticity that many international buyers are looking for in an Italian home. Both the heating stove and period oven in the kitchen are functional, and this home also comes with split air conditioning and heating units to keep it comfortable year-round. If you like this property and would like more information or have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. There is a link to their original listing in the video description below. Also, if you're looking for a home in Italy, our weekly emails are focused specifically on properties currently for sale under €150,000. These are all habitable houses in good condition without any apartments, fixer-uppers or renovation projects. You can find more information on liveyourdreamitaly.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exceptional homes under €150,000.